to the grand opening of the Carnival 2024, our 30th annual function.
It's a pleasure to see such a gathering of distinguished guests, teachers and dear friends here tonight.
What a remarkable contrast this evening brings, isn't it?
Truly fantabulous. The atmosphere is charged with excitement, telling a beautiful tale that is nothing short of spectacular.
It's a privilege to have you join us on this melodious journey as we embark on the Carnival 2024 at Kantabanji Lions Public School.
Welcome aboard, everyone.
Ladies and gentlemen, as the vibrant hues of this event unfold before us, let us all bask in its beauty together.
I kindly request everyone to take their seats and immerse themselves in the marvelous program awaiting us on this splendid occasion. Prepare yourself for an evening filled with extravagance and complete entertainment.
Just as guests are revered as divine beings in our culture, let us emulate the warmth and hospitality that India is renowned for as we extend a heartfelt welcome to all.
Sit back, relax and enjoy the festivities that lie ahead. Welcome one and all to this great joyous celebration, the Carnival 2024.
Ladies and gentlemen, as we inaugurate the 30th annual celebration, we are graced by the presence of distinguished personalities, adding a layer of splendor to this evening. Tonight, the sky above Kantabanji Lions Public School twinkles with stars, symbolizing the luminous figures gathered here.
We extend our warmest welcome to these eminent individuals, esteemed trustees and a constellation of dignitaries as we celebrate the Carnival 2024.
As I glance across, I am struck by the remarkable expertise gathered here.
It is with profound honor that we invite our esteemed guests and dignitaries to join us on this dais one by one to mark this special occasion. I am proud to take the privilege to welcome a man who is exclusively education-minded and encouragement amongst teachers and students. A man of great vision and mission, a successful team leader whose ideal guidance and encouragement extinguish all worries and troubles. A man of strict discipline and a man of method. He is none other than Dr. V.V. Raman Murthy, Principal of Kantabanji Lions Public School. I request him to come forward on the stage and take his seat. Please, sir. I request Mr. S.S. Das, sir, to escort him. And a quest for perfection are truly commendable. Diligent and devoted to his duty, he embodies magnanimity and a deep commitment to serving humanity. As a great philanthropist, he exemplifies selflessness and generosity. I am honored to welcome Lion Hardeep Singh, PDG, to the dais. We request you to take your seat and administer, sir. Please, sir. I request the audience to welcome him with a big round of applause. I request Mr. S.S. Mahapatra to escort him. Please, sir.
It's with immense pride and honor that we extend a warm welcome to a figure whose life is dedicated to the mantra, service to King. Cooperative and deeply dedicated, he embodies the spirit of service. Please join me in welcoming Lion Sanjay Sahu, PMCC, to the dais. Sir, we request you to come forward and have your seat amidst us. Please, sir. I request Mr. G.K. Patel to escort him to the dais.
Please, ma'am, your presence here is truly appreciated. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give her a resounding round of applause.
It It is said that if health is lost, everything is lost. Health plays a pivotal role to be successful in life. The person whom we have got as the guest of honor of the first evening of the Carnival 2024 is such a person who dedicates most of his time keeping people fit and healthy, whose loving touch brings cure and solace to patients. He is none other than Dr. Subhranshu Shekhar Patnaik, skin specialist. I do beseech Dr. Patnaik to come forward and take his rightful seat on the dais. Please, sir. I request Mr. Suresh Panigrai, sir, to escort him to the dais. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give him. Allow me to extend a warm welcome to a man of boundless energy and charm, always ready to lend a helping hand with his pleasant demeanor. With meticulous care, he oversees the financial management of our academy, steering us towards unprecedented growth. His unwavering dedication and hard work are truly commendable. Please join me in welcoming Shri Kailash Chand Agrawal, Treasurer of KLPS, to the dais. Sir, we invite you to take your seat amidst us. Please, sir. I request Mr. S.S. Mahapatra, sir, to escort him to the dais.
Mr. S.S. Das to escort him. I do welcome Dr. Vinay Mudgal, Pride of Kandavanji, to the dais. Please, sir.
Our school gives a great opportunity to the far-off children to study here, keeping view on which we have a boys' hostel which is managed by a dynamic person with a good leadership quality who is always ready to help the needy and hardworking. He is none other than our Honorable Hostel in charge, Shri Binod Agrawal. I beseech him to come forward and have a seat on the dais.
Now, I would like to welcome a person who is quite familiar, popular man with a smiling face, education-minded, whose mission and vision is Kandavanji Lions Public School. He has been working tirelessly to encourage the teachers and students to be industrious. A perfect man of dedication, housing a pleasant personality, he is none other than our immediate past chairman, Shri Pyarelal Jangra. I request him to come to the stage with folded hands and take his seat on the dais.
It's time to welcome a person to the dais who needs no introduction. An epitome of love amongst the children, a perfect guide like the pole star with an impressive personality. A man of method, extremely dedicated to his duty, very punctual, regular, dynamic and also sincere, who seems to never get tired, who steers the KLPS ship in the right path. A great educationalist and visionary, Shri Devanand Agrawal sir, founder chairman of Kandavanji Lions Public School. Sir, I request you to please come up on the dais and take your respective seat. Please, sir. I request Mr. S.S. Mahapatra, sir, to escort him to the dais.
but not the least, it's time to welcome our reverend members of this leading institution whose ceaseless support and valuable guidance lead us towards more successful way in each and every aspect of this academy. I request and welcome all the managing members as well as lady members to come upon the dais and adore their seats. Please, sirs and ma'am.
It's a matter of great regret that our loving chairman, Mr. Shankar Lal Agrawal, is bedridden, for which he is unable to be present amongst us. The school management and staff miss him a lot.